welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm reviewing this translucent black military-grade shockproof case from Humixx. Now this is for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. They also make this exact same case for the Pro and the standard iPhone 13. So you can get it for any of those phones. And let's just take a look inside here before I put this on the phone. You can see the back is kind of a little bit harder case back with a translucent, very anti-fingerprint. The sides are a thicker TPU. So it's thick but thin. It's thick enough to give that protection, but thin enough to not add a lot of bulk to your phone, which is nice. So let's put this case on the phone here. See how easy it is to get it on there. Very easy in. And now that it's on the phone, you can see on the front is that got that slight raised edge. Not a lot to get in the way, but just enough to offer some protection to the front of your phone. If you were to lay it down flat, you've got that slight raised edge. On the back here, now around that camera bump, that's nice. The camera bump edge is high enough to make sure you're protecting those lenses, because you've got those 3 lenses protruding out there, and so you can see the edge of that case raises slightly above that so that it will protect those when you set your phone down, which is really excellent. That nice translucent back, you can still see the Apple logo through the case. And it's you can see a very anti-fingerprint. I've got my fingers all over it, and you can see on the front of my phone, I've got greasy fingerprints from touching it, but not on the back here, because that nice matte finish will not show fingerprints. So that's really great. But then, of course, what you really want this for is to protect your phone. So all the way around, you've got that nice rubber protection all the way around the phone to keep it nice and protected. As far as buttons go, you've got your button covers here, and this has a nice texture to it, so very easy to fill and be able to use those buttons with no problem at all. And you've got easy access to your vibration button right there. Easy to turn that on, put your phone in a vibrate. Over here on the power button, again, it's a nice textured button, slightly raised button, so very easy to access that. Then down here on the bottom, you've got perfect cutouts for speakers, as well as being able to quickly access that lightning port charger. The corners are, you can see they have little cutouts there to help if you were to drop this and it were to hit on the corner, it just helps soften the blow. Has a little bit slightly thicker there with those cutouts to help reduce the impact, and that's why this is rated as a military grade case. Again, it is by Humixx. Really excellent case. Great protection, very slim though, doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone. So really high quality case from Humixx. Really nice looking, and definitely a case that I would recommend.